Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy your own Instagram profile link. So currently Instagram doesn't really have a way for you to just copy your profile link off of your Instagram profile. So I'll show you how to do that today in this video. So first go to your profile page, and once you're here, click on Edit Profile. Once you're on Edit Profile, click on your username and copy your username. Now go to any browser of your choice and then type in Instagram.com. After you put in Instagram.com though, put a slash and then put in your username like I do right here. So Instagram.com / Tubasa Tech. Once you put the slash, paste in your username. So Instagram does this to find every single user. So every single user has their own unique link, and it's just their username after Instagram.com. So once you do that, click on the bar in the top and then copy the link. And that's how you do it. Now you have the link to your Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.